everyone, welcome to Low Carb 360. My name is Jay. On today's video, we're making a flourless pizza crust. That means no almond flour, no coconut flour, no any type of flour. This recipe comes out delicious every single time, and it's great for anyone on a low carb diet. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, so here are the ingredients I use for the crust. I have cheese, and this is 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I have 2 eggs, I have onion, salt, and then I'm going to use also the garlic spread seasoning. You probably saw it in some of my other videos. I absolutely love this garlic spread seasoning. It's really, really good, and it adds tremendous flavor to the crust of this pizza. Now for the topping, I have what I like to put on my pizza. You can use whatever toppings you like, because you know pizza is a kind of a personal thing, but this is what I like. I have jalapeno peppers, pepperoni, a little bit of onion, and peppers, which I sauteed before putting on top of the pizza. I have some mozzarella cheese for the top and some steak. And instead of tomato sauce, I'm going to use the sugar-free sauce. Yesterday I made this pizza and I didn't realize I had no tomato sauce, and I used this barbecue sauce and I liked it so much that I'm going to use it again for my topping. Kind of reminds me of a pineapple pizza. So these are all the ingredients I'm using to make this pizza. This is a personal pizza, so 1 serving is the entire pizza. Let's get started. Okay, for the first step, you want to beat the 2 eggs together, making sure it's well combined. Then I add the mozzarella cheese and whisk it together because you want a really uniform mixture. Okay, so now we're going to add some flavor, because let's face it, so far we have eggs and cheese, so we definitely need to spice this up a little bit. I'm going to add the onion powder and the garlic spread seasoning that I have. If you do not have access to these seasonings, you can add garlic powder, onion powder, and some oregano. Now you want to give that a quick stir. This is what the mixture should look like, well combined. Now for the crust, I use a cast iron pan. I do this for 2 reasons. First, because it holds the heat really well, and it goes directly from the stove to the oven, so it's perfect for this type of pizza crust. Now I'm going to spray my pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour the liquid into the pan. The temperature should be medium to low heat. You want to keep an eye on it because you do not want to burn the crust. As you can see, I'm shaking the pan a little bit because I want to make sure the entire surface of the pan is covered with the liquid for the crust. And so I'm going to go ahead and keep an eye on it, and I'll show you what it should look like when it's done. Okay, so this is a perfect example of what it should look like. As you can see, the mixture has hardened, and I'm showing you with a spoon how it lifts right off. So now we're ready to top the pizza crust. I start off by topping the pizza with the sauce. I'm using barbecue sauce, but you can use tomato sauce, which is very traditional for pizza. right, so this is ready to go right into the oven, and I'll be back with the finished product. All right, so here's our pizza coming right out of the oven. You can hear that sizzle because it's piping hot. Let me let it cool and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's really easy to remove too. Just take your spatula, go all around the edges. You know, it lifts right off. As you can, oh, sorry, the camera wasn't angled right. But it lifts right off. You want to have a plate close by and you're just going to slide it from the cast iron pan to the plate. It's really simple and easy. Okay, I promise you. Look at this yummy goodness, guys. And just to think this entire pizza is one serving. Yum. Now you can be generous and probably cut it in half and have a side salad with it and share it with someone. Or you can just have it all to yourself. Alright guys, so the entire recipe is listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. As always, I thank you all for watching.